My name is Ernesto Anzures. I'm 20 years old, and the program that I'm in is Construction Technology. First, I always want to be a firefighter, because I like the way they go into fires and rescue people. My other dream is to be a city inspector, to inspect residential houses, the basic kind. That's what I'm studying for. My interest partly because of my dad. He's an engineer at Hard Components. Oh, my influence, to come to Alabama College or St. Philip's is because I wasn't really comfortable going to a major university. And here, it's a small classroom. We still feel comfortable. And over here, the instructors help you so much that I felt more comfortable here. And then after that, I'll probably just go to a university. Teacher, Mr. Noriega, he is really helpful on some of the stuff that I still didn't quite get. And there's this one thing where we're trying to put siding as a mock-up, a little practice, and I kind of messed up in a few things. And he saw that. I was like, hey, how come you don't do it like this? Doors that opened for me was that a lot of people from the business industry has come to see the classes, and they told me, hey, I can give you a job